Hello, this is a simple demonstration showing a Docker Compose and how to run a simple application and what files are used. First, you should have Docker and Docker Compose installed. Here we can see the versions of the Docker file. And the Docker Compose. To create an application, we have to create a directory. And in that directory, we have to create few files which are going to help us create the whole application. These are the files which I'm going to use for the application. The first one is the app.py, which uses Flask as a framework for Python, and Redis is the container on the application. Get_hit is the function to attempt request multiple times, and next we will see the requirements file. It has Flask and Redis as a text. It is stored as a text file which contains the names of the program and the container used. Other is the Docker file, which creates an image which has all the dependencies and applications needed. This is a Python application, thus it tells to build an image using Python 3.4, and then the direction and path of the image, directory and the path of the image. Next line tells us the installation of dependencies and the default command to run the application. Finally, we have the compose file, which is a YAML file, and here you can see it is in version 3 and uses the port 5000. And finally, we build the application. Here we specify the directory of the file and then the build, which builds us the whole file, and then we run it by using the command up, which creates the file. Next we go to the page. This is the 5000, and then here we can see the number of times the page has been visited, and if we refresh it, it changes, and you can see the changes happening here, like how many times the web page has been visited and what time. You can make many changes and just build and run the file. You can make changes in the the Python program, or the containers, the directories and all, and then we can build it and then run it again to see the final view of the application. Thank you.